Today I'm at the pick apart, looking at this old 1954 ranch wagon. It would have been cool, you know. I always was looking at like a 1950 something Ranchero. They looked really cool. I really like the body style. I like the curves, everything. The tail lights are pretty cool. So the ranch wagon is pretty much just from here, and then subtract all the roof and stuff, and then you got a ranch wagon. I'm sorry, a Ranchero, but this is the ranch wagon, which is pretty cool. I mean, 54, that's over 70 years old. Oh, there's a hubcap. There's some pieces in here. There's some glass. It's all kind of really interesting stuff to me, but nothing is compatible with my 1951 Ford truck, and that was part of the reason why I came in here to look at this. Because maybe if you're watching this video, you could tell me if this is actually the original engine. Because I think after somewhere in the mid 50s they stopped making the flathead. No more flathead, but there's the timing order 153624. The timing for straight 6 right there in the manifold. It's pretty cool. That's helpful. So there's I don't know how many of these things were added on later. I was partly kind of looking to see if this was a flathead, but apparently there's no flathead during this time. But if you know differently, let me know. Thanks for watching a little bit of 1954. I'm gonna try to should do a thumbnail like right here, so people will be like, oh, that would be attractive, like when people are scrolling through the YouTube machine and they're like, oh, this is neat. So this is at the Santa Fe Springs pick apart. My home away from home, next to the San Fernando Valley pick apart, the one at Sun Valley pick apart. I mean, I'm gonna probably be visiting these junkyards a couple times in the next couple months to get some stuff done. So if you like my videos, let me know. It's always fun if you interact with them. That's what they say. Oh, you gotta interact with the video. Okay.